Welcome to AJ Factory Flow. This batch looks good, very ripe.
Agreed. The color is consistent, and the crowns are healthy.
Looks good. Seal is tight. Ready for labeling and scanning.
Pallet count matches the manifest. We are clear for departure. Confirmed. Seal it up.
See you later. Drive safe now. Drive safe now. Take care.
Okay, Crane 1, bring her down easy. That's the refrigerated unit for truck 47. Roger, guiding it onto the chassis now. Locking pins engaged.
Here you go, just need a quick signature on the tablet for the Harvest Fresh shipment. No problem, got it.
All set. Have a great day. Thanks, you too.
This dried pineapple is surprisingly good.
Yeah, sweet and chewy. Kids seem to love it too. You have to try one of these. Oh, they look wonderful.
And so the journey concludes, bringing the delicious taste of our premium dried pineapple directly from our farm to your table.